Here's the Minna Ribbon, and today I am filming from my kids' bedroom. I have been taken out of the front room due to my son gaming with his friends, so I'm having to use their room to film. Would you believe their game station happens to be in the living room? So I wanted to bring you the other 6 boxes that I made. If you saw any of the other 3 videos I did, I made these boxes from the works. There were 9 boxes altogether and they cost just £3. In a previous video I did do this box, which I did for my son's birthday. This was an okay build. It was slightly difficult, but it wasn't the hardest build. The second video I did entailed this Mother's Day box, which was pretty difficult to do the bottom on your own, trying to hold it and glue it. It's not as big, but that was the second video I did, which I will link at the end. And then the third video I did was the little Valentine's kind of sweetheart box, which was probably the easiest out of all 3. Now, they were 3 out of the 9 boxes. There were 2 of each boxes, so 2 of these ones, 2 of these ones, and 2 of these ones that I didn't make. So there were 6 left. I did ask in the comments whether anyone wanted to see these, and a lot of people said they wanted to see them. So what I did is I took the other 6 boxes I had. These were just examples. I didn't follow any of them. I made my own designs. But you got the 9 die cast sheets which made the boxes, and then you got the 3 embellishment sheets which made all the stickers. So I did the other 6 boxes and I thought I would share them with you. So these were the 3 boxes that you've already seen. They followed a theme. The other ones, a little bit of a theme, but not so much. I just kind of went with the flow. I didn't do them all in videos separately because that would have took forever and it was just basically repeating the same thing. But I did want to finish all 9 boxes. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not, but I thought it was a really cool video. So if we go back to the original box which I made, which looked like this, which was a birthday one, I then did another one of them, and this time, if I get some light in this room, we went for a kind of congratulations wedding kind of box. It said, hooray, it's time to drink wine and dance on the table. So I did this as a kind of wedding favours box. You've got the hearts down here, and then you've got congratulations. So I thought this could be like a wedding favour, or you could put a gift card or money or a voucher to the bride in it. It's got the band that just goes round, and then you've got the box here. If you want to know how to make these, like I said, I did make them in a previous video. They will all be loaded at the end and all linked in the description below. But I haven't decorated the backs, which you could do. I actually had loads left over, but I only did the fronts on most of the boxes, apart from the cubes where I obviously did all the sides. So this was the other one. I then had a third one of them, which you get 3 of each design. This was just one I did, Be Happy 219. So I thought this could be like a gift to a friend. Maybe they're poorly, maybe it's to your best friend, just to say thank you for, you know, being with you in 2019. So we've gone for some hearts down here, gone for a big Be Happy, and then we've gone for the date 219. I thought this was really cute. We've got the band going across this time. The other one had the band in the middle. Oops. And then the third one in this series had a band at the bottom, and they all look like this. So we went for a birthday, a kind of wedding favour, and then we went for like a best friend. So they were the 3. Then we did these heart ones. Obviously this was the Mother's Day one that I showed you, and then I did like another Mother's Day theme. I think these heart ones were all Mother's Day kind of looking. So this was the second one I did. Again, it just says hello in the middle. You could give this to a friend, a loved one, a work colleague, someone that you really cherish. On the back, I did just put that this time. I did decorate the back on that one. You can decorate all these dark bits here, but I did like the dark bits on there, but you can decorate them as well. And then the third one in this set, again, I just went for something a bit simple. We've got three little pieces here where you can decorate. I put some flowers to go with the ring. It already had decoration in the middle with the band, and then I just put a little heart. But I could have decorated all these sides and done the back and just got a bit crazy. You'll have to excuse the noise outside. It is like a hurricane outside. There's like 60-mile-an-hour winds. So this was the original one that I did. No, this was the original one I did, sorry. With the bands, I can't remember now. One of these was the original. They all look similar. So we've got the three here. So you've got the square in the middle, which is the original one. Then you've got this one with the two black sides, and then you've got the one with the band down the middle. So they're all similar, but kind of different. So I thought these were good for Mother's Day, for your best friend, maybe to give to your sisters. But they've all got their own little bits. They've got a black band on the back. This one I put a little heart, kind of triangle heart thingy, and this one is just plain. But you can decorate as much or as little of each of the boxes as you wish. To be fair, you can decorate them to within an inch of their lives. Then we had the first cube I did, which has the heart on the top, which I think is adorable. Basically just split the heart to get into it, which I thought was so cute. You got the little boxes. This was the original one I did, which was the love kind of Valentine's box. This one I did was enjoy this day, enjoy it. So it was kind of a welcome to your new home / welcome to your new job. It does say home sweet home on this one. So it was kind of like a new home. Maybe I'm moving in as a couple for the first time, so that's kind of cute. So it's got home sweet home. The other side had enjoy it. This side we just had some hearts and some like bunting to celebrate, and then this side just had enjoy this day and some little moustaches. So it was kind of like moving in with your loved one. You could use it for Valentine's, I suppose, as well. And then the third box I did, which isn't holding as well, was just using random bits. This one says made with love. This one says enjoy. And there, got like an X marks the spot kind of bow, and this one says party. So this one again could be used as a wedding favour, as a Valentine gift to a friend, to your sister, and it was just a cute little box that I made. So you had the three different designs, each with the heart on the top, and then like I said, I decorated all four sides of the boxes. But like I said, you can decorate the front and the backs of each of these. You could go crazy and decorate every inch of them. Like I said, I did have some left over. If you want to check out the original videos to these, the first three, which is where I show you how to make the boxes, you can check out them. We made this one in the first video. Then we did the Mother's Day one, and then we did the cube last. So if you want to see these being made, you can check out the three videos. I will link at the end and put in the description below. If you want to make these yourself, they are £3 from the works. They do not come with any information on how to make them. It was trial and error. And if you watch the videos that I make them in, you will find that trial and error was more error. But these are the front and back cover that they come with. The rest of the inserts I've used. So if you want to try these for yourself, I highly recommend doing them, but I would suggest that you be more teenager to adult. These did take a little bit of fiddliness, and like I said, there are no instructions. So as they come as a flat pack and you have to make them, it is a little bit of an effort. You do need either tape or sticky dots or glue. I found the glue didn't work as well. I think double-sided tape would be better. But yeah, I enjoyed making these. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want me to do more crafty bits, do comment down below. Like I said, filming from my kids' bedroom, it's nice to be kicked out of your own living room. But if you want to like and subscribe to me, give me a big thumbs up. I would love to see you back here on my channel very soon for another crafty video. And if you want to find out more about me, you can follow me on Twitter, where I load videos and comments and my daily thoughts on my channel and me. So take care and thanks for watching. Bye.